परत एक फावट येवकार तुमकां गॅस्टोच्या शेफ्स किचनात.
आमच्या बरोबर परत एक फावट आसा शेफ साई. सो पळया ह्या फावट आमकां कितें स्पेशल पळोवपाक मेळटा. वेलकम बॅक.
Thank you.
सो वॉट इज स्पेशल टुडे?
Today is Bengali dessert sweet chana based product. I'm making rasagulla and rasmalai.
Okay.
And malai sandwich like.
Okay, start.
Okay.
What are the ingredients?
Requirement ingredients: milk
Okay.
and the colorful 3 colors and cardamom powder, sugar and pistachio only for garnish and whipped cream.
Okay, whipped cream.
This one is vinegar.
Vinegar. Okay, fine. What is the name of the dish?
Rasgulla.
Rasgulla. It should be like how long it should boil?
Just once boil comes,
Okay.
just add little vinegar in that.
There's any specific quantity like how much milk you have taken now?
1 liter I took. Then you just add 20 ml vinegar with water. Total 50 ml. Don't add too much vinegar.
Now, in
It's
this
gonna
you
change
have
the
already, added
taste.
water?
No, I didn't add. Like 30% water and 20% vinegar. Now add this vinegar slowly.
It should be poured slowly.
Slowly.
This is very important. You all just cannot put it directly. I'll have to add it slowly. Some people use lime also.
Yeah, but it's gonna change the taste
Taste.
because the lime is a very strong.
Yeah, but in original dish, what they use? Vinegar only.
Vinegar only. Just see this thing. It's curdled.
I just want to ask you one question. Can we do this of curdled milk?
No.
You have to purposely spoil the milk.
Strain it so slowly.
What do you call this stuffing at this
This is
stage?
called chana.
Chana.
इसमें से अभी पूरा पानी जाना पड़ता है ना.
Yes. Okay, this chana is ready.
Okay. It's becoming nice and soft. The same water
Same
which you
water.
have strained it.
Yes.
Very little water.
Very little. Just make a dough kind of thing, like chapati dough. And add little maida for binding.
Telling this to stop.
Sugar syrup. This sugar syrup should be thin, not
Okay.
thick,
Okay.
like a gulab jamun. It should be thin. That time we'll make rasgulla. I'm making 3 products like cham cham and rasagulla, rasmalai.
Okay.
This is for the rasagullas. Just make it 3 colors.
Okay.
Like one is yellow color and one add little colors into this.
Little, no?
Little. It's enough.
Enough?
Enough. Mix the dough and keep it aside. And you can make this red color. Okay. if you are making any sweet with the sugar,
Yeah.
just add little milk into the sugar
Okay, this is like chachni, no?
for clarifying.
Okay.
Sugar clarifying.
थोड़ा सा मिल्क ऐड करने
थोड़ा सा मिल्क ऐड करें.
उसमें भी ये सिरप
हाँ, उसमें भी चलता है. जो भी आप शुगर का बना रहे तो उसमें शुगर में जितना भी कचरा है बाहर निकाल दो, क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए.
ये जो शेप है इसको क्या
ये चमचम है.
चमचम
चमचम.
Avinash, the main ingredients same, but when you change the shape and add some color,
Add some color in then the toppings,
Yeah.
garnish.
Bengalis use more of sugar, chachni, what we call it. I think this would be an ideal dish for Durga Pujas at home.
Yes.
Actually, हमेशा वो white ही रहते हैं.
White ही
आपने
रहते हैं.
उसे
Okay.
color देके you did it.
Actually, it's a colorful. Rasgulla, it's a colorful.
Okay.
Nowadays, they are not preferring the colors. That's why they are not adding. But actually, it's a colorful dish.
पर मार्केट में ऐसे अवेलेबल नहीं रहते
नहीं रहते, मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं रहते. बिकॉज मार्केट में जो कलर्स यूज़ करते हैं वो लोग कहाँ से भी डाल के कलर्स यूज़ करते हैं.
Okay.
तो पब्लिक खरीद के खाना बंद कर दिया. बट एक्चुअली इफ यू यूज़ शेफ मास्टर कलर्स, एडेबल कलर्स, अभी इसमें ये डाल देंगे.
Directly डाल.
डायरेक्टली डाल के कुक करने का इसमें. ये डबल क्वांटिटी हो जाएगा
Oh.
इन साइज.
अब इसमें ऑयल बिल्कुल use
कुछ
नहीं
नहीं.
करेगा. It looks so nice, Avinash. Looks like those small candies.
Then put the lid. Boil it for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Now it's ready.
Wow. I think they have grown, yeah. They were so small, tiny.
Add
when
little
we
water
took
into
it.
that.
Okay.
पानी है
ये थिन नहीं रहना शुगर सिरप. थिक नहीं रहना. ये बॉईल होने के बाद ना थोड़ा थिक हो जाएगा. Now it's ready. We'll make a rabdi. Then add little sugar into that. Lemon, yellow.
I think ये अभी मिल्क थोड़ा थिक होना चाहिए ना?
Yes. Little cardamom powder. Now it's a presentation time. This cream.
You have not added anything in the cream,
No,
right?
no,
Just whipped it.
Just whipped cream. Garnish. Any dry fruits. Pistachio. I'm adding pista.
Wow, it looks so tempting.
चमचम रसगुल्ला रसमलाई 3 डिश
For rasmalai, rasmalai. Then garnish with pista. So 3 dishes ready.
It's very nice. I think Avinash, we should congratulate Chef Sai for with one ingredient he has shown 3 different dishes.
Thank
So
you.
I'll have lot of opportunities. Say thanks to Chef Sai because he has actually done it for y'all. So this Durga Puja, y'all can do something nice. It's nice. It's come out very good.
Thank you.
Rasgulla.
Again, very good. I don't know what to say, but it's really turned out very good.
Thank you.
I'm telling you, it will be good.
That is not doubt.
As I told you, it's good again. It's really nice. What I'll do is I'll look at the recap, try it at home, and celebrate your Durga Puja. I will continue eating.
रसमलाई करपाक तुमकां लागतलें साहित्य दूध साखर वेलची पिठो पिस्ता विनेगर आनी खावपाचो कलर एका भांड्यान दूध घेवन तें बरें गरम करून घेवप तें गरम जाल्या उपरांत तातूंत विनेगर घालप तें विनेगर घाल्या उपरांत तें दूध फुट्टलें तें दूध फुटलें की तें एका चाळणीन घालून बरें धुवन घेवप मागीर तें बरें मळून घेवप तेका थोडोसो मैदो लावप एका भांड्यान साखर आनी उदक घालून बरें गरम करून घेवप मागीर तेतूंत थोडेशें दूध घालप मागीर ते मळून दवरलेले दुधाचे गोळे करप चमचम आनी रसमलाई करप मागीर तातूंत थोडो कलर घालप मागीर ते तयार केल्ले गोळे ह्या साखरेच्या पाकान घालप आनी ते बरें शिजोवन घेवप ते शिजोवन जाले की मागीर आनी एक भांडें घेवप तातूंत दूध साखर थोडोसो वेलचीचो पिठो आनी केशरी कलर घालून बरें गरम करून घेवप ते दूध बरें शिजलें की तातूंत रसमलाईचे गोळे घालप आमचे चमचम रसगुल्ला आणि रसमलाई तयार
So हो आशिल्लो आमचो दुर्गा पुजा स्पेशल गेस्टोज बायट इट.
आमी तुमच्या मुखार गुजराती केरलायट त्याच्या उपरांत बंगाली अश्यो विविध प्रकारच्यो तुमच्या कडेन डिशीज घेवन आयले त्याचो तुम्ही आमकां रिप्लाय करात
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
नाजाल्यार तुम्ही आमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकतात 9011043343 or 92. आता तुमकां सगळ्यांक बाय बाय.
Bite, eat, and stay connected with us.
And don't forget to watch our next episode at the same day and same time. Till then,
keep watching Prudent Media.